All right, here is the modeling and tutorial for this problem. We have one green block, which is our x, and then we have 5 red squares, which means they're negative. Each one is a -1, and so when I add them up together, I have -5. So this would be x minus 5 equals, so on this side, if I count them all up, I have 9, and since they're yellow, they're positive. So I'm going to combine these together. X minus 5 equals 9. Whoops, I don't know why I have a 7 there, sorry. X minus 5 equals 9. All right, so now I need to isolate my variable. And in order to do that, I need to make what we call 0 pairs or do the inverse operation. So you're kind of doing them both. You're finding out what you started off with. You're doing a -5. So the inverse operation is add 5. When I add 5 of the yellow squares, I make 0 pairs, which means they cancel each other out because 5 minus 5 equals 0. What I do to one side, I do to this side. So I add 5 squares to this side. I already had 9, and so I'm going to add 5 more squares, which would be 9 plus 5. When I put it all together, I isolated my variable on the one side, on the left side. So now I just have the x equals the 9 plus 5 equals 14. And so my solution here is x equals 14. Now remember, we are justifying our answer. So I have to go back to the beginning and type in 14 where my x was located. So my answer was x equals 14. I take my x, I replaced it with 14. 14 minus 5 equals 9. Woohoo! I justified the answer because that is correct, and I don't need to move forward anymore.